This is our best-selling spiral Chute workhorse for gold, chromite, iron, manganese, and titanium ore separation. After multiple factory visits, our African client placed their trust in us and placed the orders. When the equipment was ready, the customer came to the factory to inspect the details of the products in person. After the inspection, the customer expressed that they were very satisfied with the quality of our products and stayed to see the containers loaded. Quality checked, securely packed, on the way. After the customer received the goods, we immediately arranged for an engineer to provide on-site installation service. Upon arrival, our engineers on site, guiding the installation step by step. The result? A smooth, timely commissioning. The spiral chutes went into operation without delay. Their trust is what drives us. Whatever your mineral processing needs, we deliver. Quality, service, peace of mind. Your partner in mineral processing, Ivy-Gelin Mining Machinery.